Well, we are going to take advantage of this beautiful day, get out, do some exploring on foot around camp here, see what we're camped next to. We are camped right in front of this hill here, so I thought I'd take a walk around the backside, see what's going on around there. Found this cattle trail. There is some open cattle grazing going on. Had some footage of the cowboys trying to get the cattle to head down this way. There is a water tank down here. A nice little path here, not too much manure. Let's go see what we can find. Seeing a structure over here. Looks like probably an old mine shaft. And actually I noticed over here as well on this hill. Looks like there's another one there right in the center. So we'll have to go check those out, see what's going on. I'm already noticing this green here on a lot of these rocks. It's isn't copper turned green? There's copper around, you'll see that? I'm not sure. Could be just making that up. Yeah, looks like an old mine shaft for sure. Let's see if we can get over to the actual shaft. Yeah, it's not like deep or anything. Probably filled in. Yeah, you see more of that green. See if I can zoom in on that. More of that green down. Right there. Could have been copper maybe. Oh, it is just a beautiful day today. We are camped right about down there. So you can zoom in. Just see a little bit of white there. At the base of the hill. But here we are, up on this hillside. Found the other mine shaft. Ah, it's nice up here. Just a little bit of a breeze. And then the watering tank over here with the windmill. I'd assume that windmill isn't doing anything. It's probably on solar, electric pump. Go check that out. But I'm seeing a ladder over here. Let's take a look at this thing. Wow. So this one goes down quite a bit deeper. It does seem closed off. Let me walk around the other side, but yeah, this one's a lot deeper than that other one. Got to be careful around these old mine shafts. Some of them will be on federal land. They'll be fenced off. See, there's an old wooden ladder. But yeah, that's blocked off all around. And then this one over here has this ladder. And it goes down quite a ways. See if we can zoom in, see down there. That actually, can't really see on camera, but that actually is open. That goes under there. Getting that glare. But if it's going that way and that's blocked off, I'd assume it probably ends right there. So I'm not going down there. I don't want to take that risk. All right, let's move on. Well, there's one that didn't make it. Surprisingly, it really doesn't smell. It looks pretty well dried out, baked in the summer heat probably, for probably multiple summers. Poor guy. Well, I don't see any cattle around here right now, but they are here. I actually watched a truck and trailer pull up. They dropped off maybe 4 cattle with a couple calves, and then three guys on horses wrangled them back this way towards the water. So let's see what they got here. Oh, I hear one. They're just over the hill here, staying close to the water. Yeah, they've got an area here where they can get to the water. Oh, look at all that moss growing in there. Water actually looks really clean. So that must be getting pumped from over here. Unless someone's doing it manually. What's going on under this? Oh, that's heavy. Float valve, yeah, so it's getting pumped in there. Could be gravity feed from the big tank here. Let's see how much water's in this. Yeah, you can see some pipe here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty well topped off. Ah, there's goldfish in there. Funny. I scared them off. They're all right up by the surface. Came up over the wall, they went deep. Yeah, there's some good sized ones in there. See if they come back up. That is funny. I've seen a lot of these water tanks out for cattle on public lands, but I've never seen them with goldfish in them. That's great. Yeah, I wonder if they do that to kind of help keep the water healthy. I don't know. Huh. Yeah, that old windmill's been out of commission for a while. Yeah, they got, looks like 1, 2, 3 big solar panels. Those look like 200 watts each. So 600 watts of solar under an electric pump. You can see the valve over here. Dripping. So there must be a float valve somewhere. Oh, it just kicked on. I bet that's good water. There's this valley down here with these rock formations. Let's go down. This is neat. Huh. So we are now wrapping around the mountain that we're camped on the other side of. There's this big valley here. These crazy rock formations. And the snow-capped mountains off in the distance. Love the Southwest. So neat. Yeah, let's head down in there. That is quite the balancing act there. How did that even come to be? Almost looks like the piece laying on its back there was maybe attached to the one that's balanced up and it split off. I brought my little pack chair and my backpack. If I'm going to take a break out here and soak it all in, I might as well do it in comfort. Got some water in my Camelback in the pack here. A few snacks here, some chips and pineapple. Well, I've found over the years on the road, living out of my camper vans, that in the winter, I tend to kind of hole up in the van. Usually just because it's colder out and windy often if I'm out in the Southwest in the winter. And I can kind of get a little bit of cabin fever, a little bit kind of down. And then spring rolls around here and it starts to warm up and I remember to get out away from camp. So I'm out here, I can't hear any road noise, just the birds chirping, the wind blowing through the creosote. I'm just gonna sit out here, watch the clouds go by. Just take time to just be in it. Don't do that enough. Oh, that was nice just to let some time pass. Ah, this chair comes in handy. I'll bring this in my motorcycle saddlebags too. Go out on a long ride. It's nice to be able to just pull over and have your own seat with you. I got this at REI. It's an REI brand. It's one of their sales events. I think it was like 25% off or something. Yeah, it packs up into this little bag right here. I like this because the little stuff bag they give for it is actually easy to get into. A lot of items, it fits in there when you first buy it, and then the first time you go to stuff it back in there, it's just so tiny, but they give you some extra wiggle room here. And it fits right in the back of my backpack. Forgot I had a sweet treat. Kelly got these for her supervisor. She works for Peanut Chews, Goldberg's Peanut Chews. Looks like they're made in Philadelphia. Some more of these sandstone formations here. That's a gnarly one there. Well, I saw this decent sized cactus over here. Come get a closer look and I noticed that it looks like there's some sort of nest here. It's actually kind of like a little side entry port there. I think it's covered over from the top. I can't see, but I'll put the phone there. I'm gonna get stuck by this cactus. Wonder what kind of bird it is. Okay, I gotta climb up at least one of these big boulders. The inner child in me is coming out. Boy, this granite is super grippy. Now the trick is if I can get back down as well. Little pool of water here from the rains. Okay, I guess we can get up to the higher point. Boy, there's a lot of plants back here. There we are. Ah, some more cows over there. Yeah, looks like this road Goes up and hopefully wraps around. Go check it out. Yeah, he's just really reaching right out into the road there. Check out this barrel cactus. It's all mutated. Like gnarly growths on top. Kind of weird. Wow, all well out here. You got water out in the middle of the desert. That's nice. This is like the middle of nowheres. Huh. Interesting. Well, I managed to hike all the way around the backside of that mountain there. Went all the way down here and kind of came up through. And coming around here, you can see the vans off in the distance. Got the box van twins out here. These guys. Here's the latest solar water heater setup. I've got my spray bottle in there painted black inside a plastic bag for kind of like a greenhouse effect, and then the reflectix to radiate the heat on it. And see how warm it is. Okay, so the plastic bag might be too much. It is after my shower and it's showing 118 degrees, 120. So yeah, like 100 would be good. That was almost scalding. And because it was so warm, I used very little water. I used about a gallon. So I got a nice hot shower with a gallon of water. So Kelly did hers with just the reflectix without a plastic bag on it. And hers was, she says, about perfect. So yeah, and it was only like 70 degrees today. It was clear and sunny, but yep, that's with the reflectix, heats it right up. All right, on the menu tonight, asparagus and kielbasa sausage on the grill. All right, there we are. That asparagus is nice and warm all the way through. Slightly tender, still got a little bit of crisp to it. That kielbasa is looking about perfect. Let's pull these off and get busy. Okay, there it is. Kel made up a Caesar salad. We got our grilled asparagus. Marinated that asparagus in a little bit of soy sauce and some garlic powder and black pepper, a little bit of red pepper, and then grilled up that kielbasa. It's looking good. Let's dig in. Okay, taste test on the kielbasa. That's good. I haven't had kielbasa in a while. I like it when it's grilled. You get that the outside nice and crispy. Real taste test, the asparagus. And grilled and marinated. Marinated and grilled. You're gonna like that. It was good stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put down this camera.
All right, we gotta dig in. A group of police on four-wheelers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All geared up. Their vests say police. They went out into the hills. They were gone for, maybe a few hours. I don't know what they're doing back there.